Taking a pregnancy test at home is straightforward, and it's best to follow the instructions on the test kit for the most accurate results. Here's a general guide on how to take a home pregnancy test. You can buy a home pregnancy test at a pharmacy or online. There are tests available that detect pregnancy early or are more sensitive to different levels of the HCG hormone. Ensure that the test is not expired. Using an expired test may affect the accuracy of the results. For the best results, wait until after you have missed your period to take the test. Testing too early may result in a false negative. Some tests require you to collect urine in a clean container and then dip the test stick into the urine for the specified amount of time. Place the test on a flat surface and wait for the amount of time specified in the instructions, usually 3 to 5 minutes. Most tests will show 2 lines or a symbol indicating pregnancy. The second line may appear faint, but as long as it's there, it typically indicates a positive result. If only one line appears, it means you are likely not pregnant. If the result is negative, but you still suspect you are pregnant, you can repeat the test after a few days or consult with a doctor. You can test pregnancy at home by using pregnancy strips, because these tests are relatively inexpensive compared to other methods. They provide an affordable way to check for pregnancy. Clinical Guard pregnancy tests strips are a popular choice for those seeking reliable results on their fertility journey. Place the pregnancy test strip in your urine. Hold the absorbent tip under the urine stream for 7 to 10 seconds to collect enough sample. Once you get a positive result on a home pregnancy test, schedule an appointment with your doctor or midwife to confirm your pregnancy and begin prenatal care. Taking a home pregnancy test is easy and private, but it's important to follow the instructions for accurate results.